Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Metaverse. Lately, we have heard big tech such as Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia are heavily investing into the development of Metaverse. So what exactly it is? Let's dive in. Metaverse is an evolving ecosystem, so there is no commonly agreed definition to it yet. Metaverse is considered to be the successor of the internet and will replace it in future. The word Metaverse was invented by Neil Stephenson back in 1992 in his science fiction Snow Crash. Basically, you can consider Metaverse as a massive online 3D role-playing game with decentralized server in which many people can interact with each other, and the digital assets you obtained as well as your avatar can move freely with no boundaries. One of the most important things is it has its own economic system, and digital assets created in the Metaverse can be freely converted with real-world money via blockchain and cryptocurrencies. To understand what exactly a Metaverse is, let's go over its main features. It is a decentralized cyberspace. Users' presence are represented by avatar. Interoperability and standardization. Virtual cyberspace environment. It has convertible independent economy via blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Metaverse is a decentralized cyberspace. No one can own the Metaverse, just like no single company can own the internet. There is no central server, but rather a large number of computers serving as nodes to perform the task of processing and preserving data. Users of the Metaverse can seamlessly travel between different virtual spaces, taking along with their unique identity and digital assets. The presence of users are represented by an avatar in the Metaverse. An avatar is just like the character we choose in any role-playing game. Just like in a movie with the same name Avatar, the senses and mind of a hero was infused to an alien body through machines. Our hero's presence in this alien world is represented by his avatar, and he can do all the adventures in this fantasy world through his avatar, such as running, fighting, starting a love affair, and all the heroic acts. In order for users to seamlessly travel between and operate in different cyberspaces, a standardized protocol is required. International organizations such as Open Metaverse Interoperability Group is working to define these standards. With the standard protocol established, users can travel freely to any cyberspace using the same identity, that is their avatar, and tag along all their digital belongings. While Metaverse is giving people a sense of second life existence other than our physical world, it is achieved by the robust development of machine-made reality environments. Here, we will make a quick tour to distinguish between virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. Virtual reality replaces your world with a virtual one. It was used in headsets, sometimes in combination with physical spaces, or multi-projected environments to generate realistic images. Augmented reality is a live direct or indirect view of physical real-world environment augmented with computer-generated or extracted real-world sensory. The US military has been using it for quite a while. Mixed reality is sometimes referred to as hybrid reality. Mixed reality produces new environments and visualizations, where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. Somewhere between AR and VR, mixed reality takes place not only in the physical or the virtual world, but is a mix of actual reality and virtual reality. During the COVID-19 pandemic time, I believe many of us would have joined Zoom meeting or similar activities. If you notice, they are all happening in 2D. People are talking to many small grids of rectangles. With the development of Metaverse, things will change from 2D to 3D. Facebook just announced their Horizon Workroom, which is a complete 3D meeting environment. Workroom is used on the Facebook Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality headset and is equipped with two handles for body movements. As Zuckerberg says, human bodies are not built for 2D communications. We are more accustomed to talking with people right next to each other. We need a sense of presence, knowing you are sitting right next to me and seeing your body movements and gestures for better understandings of what you say. In Horizon Workroom, people can sit around the meeting table and can write on the blackboard for brainstorming session as if they were in a real meeting room. In a 2D environment, if you want to share a document, you can only show a projection of it on screen. In the future, people will receive a hologram of the documents and share as many documents as they want. This is the power of Metaverse. Apart from Facebook, Apple is working on their Apple Glasses. Unlike the bulky 3D gear we use now, the new Apple Glass looks like a pair of traditional eyewear. Just like the one that I'm wearing all day long and I don't even notice it was there. Apple Glass is designed with augmented reality and it has the potential to become one of our routine outfits. It is said that Apple Glass will come with ordinary lens with prescribed lens available at extra cost. It is equipped with LiDAR detector instead of camera and it will be wirelessly charged. For privacy protection, other people cannot see what's on your glasses. Microsoft HoloLens is heading towards the mixed reality. Putting it on, we can see holograms before our eyes together with the physical environment, and it can interact with the user or take instructions from the user via voice or gestures. Let's see how it was demonstrated.
Ooh, look at that hummingbird over there, it's gorgeous. I wonder if it will fly to my hand. Yeah, oh wow, this is beautiful. I just love the way that it's following my hand around. I've got to tell the team, they've done a great job. And in fact, I don't even need to use my hands to do this because I can use my eyes and my voice.
Metaverse is built on machine-made reality. How all these amazing holograms and reality environment came possible? NVIDIA Omniverse may be one of the answers. NVIDIA Omniverse was based on Universal Scene Description, an interchange framework invented by Pixar in 2012. It is a database engine that connects users and enables the interchange of 3D assets and scene descriptions. Once connected, designers doing modeling, layout, shading, animation, lighting, special effects, or rendering can collaborate to create a scene. Omniverse is a platform built from the ground up to be physically based. It is fully path-traced, simulating how each ray of light bounces around a virtual world in real time. We have talked a lot about the virtual cyberspace of Metaverse. Now we came to the final major features of Metaverse that we are going to cover in this video. That is, Metaverse has its own independent and complete economic system. The wealth and artifacts in the cyberspace gained by individual users can be converted to real-world money via cryptocurrencies and NFTs. At present, the most popular application of Metaverse exists in the format of online games. For example, you earn Robux by playing Roblox, Mana for Decentralized. This game money exists in the format of cryptocurrencies and you can convert it into real money via cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. In this game, you can also gain or create NFTs, that is, non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique items that was registered with blockchain. The most common blockchain used is the Ethereum chain. The registration process is called mint, and you have to pay a certain amount of Ethereum to complete the process. Once minted, the NFT have a unique identity being kept in the Ethereum blockchain, which was stored in thousands of decentralized servers around the world. It can be tracked down for who owned it and when it was created. Since the economy of Metaverse is growing every day and it's worth a dedicated video for this topic, I will talk about the Metaverse economy and how to make money with the Metaverse in a separate video. Actually, Metaverse is still very young and like a baby trying hard to climb the stairs, slow but sure. I believe in 5 to 10 years, Metaverse will become a part of our daily life. Do you think Metaverse will replace Internet? Please write down in the comment section and let me know.